Today we have this Black Beast Hycross. We have done something fantastic. Let me show what and all we have done in this car, which is going to enhance the look as well as the performance which the customer was looking for. If you come to the front side, we have given the complete headlight change. That is from Ozoom. If you can see the Ozoom badging inside, comes with a 3 projector lens, one of the best projector lamp for the iCross. Then what we have also installed is this Toyota GR grill, which is going to enhance the complete look from the front side, and the alpha tail lamp, which is also going to be one of the best, which is going to be a day running light as well as the look. What is magical is the automatic footstep with the lighting which is going to come on the sidewise. This is a footstep which is going to come with 2 years of warranty. You get Chinese products as well, but this is the complete quality with the RGB light, which is going to give you the comfortability when you're going down the car and when you're going inside the car as well. What you have done in the backside is few things which is going to be the best for the iCross. One is the tail lamp. This is the BYD tail lamp. Looks fantastic from the backside, as well as what we have also installed is the spoilers to give a complete sporty look, and to protect your backside we have completely given you the chrome and rear bumper as well, and we have also installed an ambient light to give an ambience when you're going to drive your car. iCross is the most running vehicle in the market today. If you're looking for these kind of genuine upgrades with quality, the only place to come for is RS CAR Modifiers. You can come visit us, see the quality, get your iCross modified into a beast.